Alright, so if you have a Dodge Charger 2019, it's some little tricks and tips that I have learned that I think may be beneficial for y'all. So one thing is starting with the key fob. As we know, this unlocks, that locks, let's open the trunk, but what does this do? A lot of people don't know, but if you click it, double click it, it actually will start the car. Yes, sir. It will start the car. If you are near your car, the key unlock the car. So you just go ahead and get on in. It will say remote start active push door button. So the car is not going to do anything. It's not going to even look. It's not going to close, lock the doors, roll down the windows. It's not going to do anything until you hit the engine start. Once you hit start, everything goes into effect. That's when you can roll down the window, and that's when you can unlock the car. So another thing is the gas pump. A lot of people ask somebody that has a Dodge Charger if they knew where the gas door to pump gas into your car is at. A lot of people don't know, because honestly I didn't know for a minute. But a tip is it is actually on the door. Can you guess where? Let me open the door. Can you guess where? It's not over here, but it is right here. I know that's weird, but you just hit it and then it'll open up the gas tank. Okay, so another thing is, while you're driving, you don't want to get distracted putting on the volume, doing all this or that. So a cool thing about it is, if you actually go, or if you feel, you could just go on and feel here, up and down. You feel a little ball down button right behind, right here. This will actually control volume and radio station. It's on both sides of the modules here. So yeah, does have cruise control, which I really love, especially when you're on the road. You can plug your USB inside, and that is right here. So you can do the aux 2. If you lift it up, you obviously know that you can have this. It actually has this inside too, which I like. You can put coins, a little miscellaneous. You can put little miscellaneous stuff there. Another thing is, say that you're driving and you have off a seatbelt, or if you take it off, it automatically will give you a warning: driver's seat unbuckled. It also does this for passengers, so that's kind of good. See, it's your regular cup holder, your standard regular cup holder, but if you have something a little thicker, I like this because it fluctuates the size a tad bit. But what I really like from this is that it has a topper. So if you have an iPad or something you would like to put on top of this, you have the option to.